Welcome to the next episode of Rule of Thumb. Today we just got to transform this back patio area. From the looks of it, it's probably never been done. And the siding is not good either. Let's start by going over some of the equipment we have. This here is just a simple Yamaha pressure washer with just 3,100 PSI. This here is a pretty standard pressure washer for homeowners. The max PSI that this thing gives off has been more than adequate for anything that I've needed. Now, of course, the real star of the show is this surface cleaner. This thing actually just came with the pressure washer. It was a whole kit. This thing is by no means top of the line for anything on the market, but it does really well and it's super simple. So let's get to it. Let me show you how it works. Let's turn the water on. I actually really enjoy these non-kink hoses too. And well, they don't kink. It's really actually super helpful. All right, enough screwing around. Let's get some horsepower in. Now, of course, it's possible to just use the pressure from the pressure washer, but I like to use some soap. Actually, what I use is more of an outdoor cleaner, right? It was pictured right there. It's safe for flowers. It's safe for grass. Of course, it's safe for the siding. So how we took care of that is B just sprayed that on for us and we let it sit for about 10 minutes. And then we were able to turn on the surface cleaner. And just like that, we pretty much have ourselves a brand new patio. Thank you so much for watching.